A doorbell seems like a simple thing, right? You press a button, and a chime goes off inside your home. But behind that simple action is a system of wires and connections that need to be installed correctly. Why? Because safety and functionality depend on it. First and foremost, faulty wiring can be a fire hazard. Loose connections or damaged wires create heat, and heat can lead to sparks and fire. We never want that in our homes, do we? Second, improper wiring can lead to your doorbell simply not working. If the connections are wrong or the wires are too small, the electrical current won't flow properly, and your chime won't sound. That means missed visitors and lost packages. Finally, taking the time to do the wiring right the first time will save you headaches down the road. It's much easier to run wires and make connections correctly during the initial installation than to try to troubleshoot problems later on. Trust me, I've seen my fair share of botched electrical work, and it's never pretty. So let's make sure your doorbell wiring is done right from the start. When it comes to doorbells, you've got two main options these days: traditional wired doorbells and smart video doorbells. Each type has its own unique set of features and benefits, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision. Both have their pros and cons, and the best choice for you depends on your needs and budget. Let's dive deeper into what each type offers, and what you should consider before making a purchase. Traditional wired doorbells are the tried and true option. They're relatively simple to install and don't require any internet connectivity or special apps. They're also the most affordable option up front. This makes them a popular choice for those who prefer straightforward, no-fuss solutions. Traditional doorbells usually consist of a button outside, a chime inside, and a transformer that steps down the voltage from your home's electrical system. These components work together seamlessly to alert you when someone is at your door. Smart video doorbells, on the other hand, are packed with features. They allow you to see and speak to visitors from anywhere using your smartphone. This can be particularly useful if you're not at home or if you want to screen visitors before answering the door. Many models also offer motion detection, night vision, and cloud recording capabilities. These features can provide an added layer of security, allowing you to monitor activity around your home at all times. This can be great for security and peace of mind. Knowing that you can check on your home from anywhere in the world can be incredibly reassuring, especially if you travel frequently or have a busy lifestyle. However, smart video doorbells typically require a strong Wi-Fi signal and often need to be hardwired to your existing doorbell wiring for power. This can make installation a bit more complex compared to traditional doorbells. No matter which type of doorbell you choose, make sure it's compatible with your existing wiring and that you feel comfortable with the installation process. Compatibility is key to ensuring that your doorbell functions properly and provides the features you need. If you're not sure, don't hesitate to call in a licensed electrician. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Professional installation can save you time and ensure that everything is set up correctly, giving you peace of mind. In summary, traditional wired doorbells are cost-effective and easy to install, making them a great choice for those who want a simple, reliable solution. Smart video doorbells, while more expensive and complex to install, offer advanced features that can enhance your home's security and convenience. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your personal preferences and needs. If you value high-tech features and remote access, a smart video doorbell might be the way to go. If you prefer a straightforward, budget-friendly option, a traditional wired doorbell could be the perfect fit. Whichever option you choose, a doorbell is an essential part of your home's entryway, providing a way for visitors to announce their arrival. Make sure to weigh the pros and cons carefully to find the best fit for your home. Remember, technology is constantly evolving and new features are being added to smart video doorbells all the time. Stay informed about the latest advancements to ensure you're getting the most out of your investment. Whether you go with a traditional wired doorbell or a smart video doorbell, the most important thing is that you feel confident and satisfied with your choice. After all, your doorbell is one of the first things visitors interact with when they come to your home. Take your time to explore the different options available, read reviews, and maybe even test a few models if possible. This will help you make a well-informed decision that you'll be happy with for years to come. In the end, the right doorbell can enhance your home's security, convenience, and overall appeal. So choose wisely and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is well protected and welcoming to visitors. Before you even think about tackling any electrical work, it's crucial to have the right tools and materials on hand. This preparation is not just about convenience, it's about ensuring your safety and the quality of your work. Having everything you need within arm's reach will make the installation process smoother and safer. A well-organized workspace can save you time and reduce the risk of mistakes. Here's a rundown of the essentials. Tools. These are the backbone of any successful installation project. Voltage tester. This is your best friend when working with electricity. It helps you verify that the power is off, preventing any accidental shocks. Always use it to double-check that power is off before touching any wires. Safety should always be your top priority. Wire strippers, cutters. You'll need these for stripping insulation off wires and snipping them to length. They ensure clean cuts and proper wire exposure for connections. Screwdrivers. Have both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers in various sizes handy. These are essential for securing screws and making adjustments. Drill with bits. You'll likely need to drill holes for mounting the doorbell button and potentially running wires through walls. A good drill can make this task much easier and more precise. Level. Nobody wants a crooked doorbell. A level ensures everything is straight. This tool is crucial for a professional-looking installation. Electrical tape. Use this to insulate wire connections and secure them tightly. It prevents short circuits and keeps your connections safe. Doorbell kit. This typically includes the button, chime, and transformer. Make sure you have all the components before you start. Doorbell wire. Choose the correct gauge, thickness, for your doorbell system. The right wire ensures proper electrical flow and reduces the risk of overheating. Wire connectors. Use these to join wires securely. They provide a stable and safe connection, preventing wires from coming loose. Mounting hardware screws, anchors, and whatever else you need to securely mount the doorbell button and chime. Proper mounting ensures that your doorbell stays in place and functions correctly. Remember, this is just a basic list. You may need additional tools or materials depending on your specific doorbell model and home's wiring. Always check the requirements of your particular system. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for guidance. These instructions are tailored to your specific model and will provide the most accurate and safe installation steps. Taking the time to read and understand them can save you from potential issues down the line. Safety gear. Don't forget to wear safety gear like goggles and gloves. These protect you from potential hazards such as flying debris and electrical shocks. Adequate lighting. Ensure your workspace is well lit. Good lighting helps you see what you're doing clearly, reducing the risk of mistakes and accidents. Clean workspace. Keep your workspace clean and organized. A clutter-free environment allows you to work more efficiently and safely. Double check. Before you start, double check that you have all the necessary tools and materials. This final check can save you from interruptions and ensure a smooth installation process. Plan ahead. Take a few moments to plan your installation steps. Having a clear plan can make the process more straightforward and help you avoid common pitfalls. Seek help. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to seek help. Consulting with a professional or watching instructional videos can provide valuable insights and ensure you're on the right track. With the right tools, materials, and preparation, installing a doorbell can be a rewarding DIY project. Take your time, follow the steps, and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Before you start drilling holes and running wires, take some time to plan out your doorbell installation. This initial step is crucial and can save you a lot of headaches down the road. A well-thought-out plan will ensure that your doorbell is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Proper planning will save you time and frustration in the long run. Imagine the hassle of having to redo your work because you didn't consider all the factors beforehand. It's always better to measure twice and cut once. Consider the location visibility. Choose a location for your doorbell button where it's easily visible from the street. This is important not just for convenience but also for security. A visible doorbell can deter potential intruders. Make sure it's not obstructed by bushes, decorations, or anything else that could prevent visitors from seeing it. An obstructed doorbell can be easily missed, causing visitors to knock instead, which defeats the purpose of having a doorbell. Accessibility. The button should be within easy reach for people of varying heights. This includes children, adults, and even delivery personnel who may have their hands full. It's also a good idea to consider accessibility for individuals with disabilities. Installing the doorbell at a height that is reachable for someone in a wheelchair can make your home more inclusive and welcoming. Proximity to wiring. Ideally, you want to install your doorbell button near an existing electrical box. This will make the installation process much simpler and more efficient. This will minimize the amount of wiring you need to run. Less wiring means fewer chances for something to go wrong, and it also makes the installation look cleaner and more professional. Check your existing wiring. Transformer location. Locate your existing doorbell transformer. Knowing where this is can save you a lot of time and effort during the installation process. It's often found in a basement, utility room, or garage. These locations are typically out of the way but still accessible, making them ideal for housing your transformer. Make sure it's easily accessible. You don't want to have to move a bunch of stuff every time you need to check or replace the transformer. Voltage compatibility. Check the voltage of your existing transformer and make sure it's compatible with your new doorbell. Using an incompatible transformer can cause your doorbell to malfunction or even damage it. Wire gauge. Determine the gauge of your existing doorbell wire. The wire gauge is important because it affects the amount of current that can safely pass through the wire. You may need to replace it if it's too thin for your new doorbell. Thicker wires can handle more current and are generally more durable, making them a better choice for long-term use. By taking the time to plan your installation and assess your existing wiring, you'll ensure a smoother and more successful doorbell installation. This preparation can prevent a lot of common issues and make the process much more straightforward. Remember, proper planning is key to any home improvement project. Whether you're installing a doorbell or undertaking a larger renovation, taking the time to plan can make all the difference in the outcome. So, grab your tools, make a plan, and get started on your project with confidence.